PTA Digital's heavy-duty magnetic mount is the ideal tablet holder for use on refrigerators, file cabinets, cubicle panels, and steel surfaces. The device mounts flush to walls, extending only an inch, making this a valuable space-saving solution at home, the office, warehouse, or commercial kitchen. The heart of this mount is a small but mighty magnet that can hold an extraordinary amount of weight. It's strong enough to hold tablets and the included Paragon Enclosure. Rubber padding protects all surfaces. This case is secure, protected by a powerful lock and key system. The enclosure can be mounted either vertically or horizontally. An interior cable routing system keeps cords out of sight during charging. The enclosure connects to the magnetic mount by a standard 75mm by 75mm VESA plate. Simply attach with the enclosed hardware, mount to a metal surface, and your digital workspace is ready to go. This kit is compatible with iPad 7th, 8th, and 9th generation 10.2-inch, iPad Pro 11-inch, iPad Air 4, Galaxy Tab S2 9.7-inch, Lenovo Tab 4, Surface Go, and more.